So guys, here you see one more LeetCode camp video has been came on this channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 602 by the name of friend request to who has the most friends. So yeah, and we are solving this question in the MySQL as well as okay. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and this is a medium question which we are solving. And in this question there's only one topic has been included by the name of database. So yeah, and now please hit the like, share and all the notification bell also. Until here you do not follow me on my WhatsApp channel, so go and follow me there. And if you do not follow me on my LinkedIn profile yet, so go on my LinkedIn profile and follow me there as well as okay, because in that my LinkedIn profile I will be update you all the thing why my video will be not come, my video has been came, and I will be also give the link of my video on LinkedIn. Okay, so now anyways, let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, let's start today's video. And like I've told you in today's video, I'm telling you about in the LeetCode camp, we are solving the question number 602 by the name of friend request to who has the most friends. So yeah, we are solving this question in today's video. So let's start. So first of all, we understand the question, what is the question is trying to say, then we'll be start to solve it. Okay, in the LeetCode camp. Okay, now first of all, here you get a table of a request accepted, and it has been giving me a two schema. One is a SQL and second is a pandas. If you see here, if we view the SQL schema, so there's one SQL scheme and there's one pandas scheme. Okay, but anyways, we want to see the SQL scheme because we are solving this question in the MySQL. Okay, so that's fine. We are not solving this question in pandas or any of these languages. Now here's one column by the name of requester ID, and which type is int, means integer, and there's one more column which is acceptor ID, which type is int, and the third column name is accept date, which type is date also. Requester underscore ID, acceptor underscore ID, so one primary key combination of columns with a unique values for this table. That table contains the ID of the user who sent the request, the ID of the user who received the request, and the date when the request was accepted. Okay, what is our task is in today's video? Let me explain you the tasks of in today's video. In today's solving video, our task is we want to write a solution to find the people who have the most friends and the most friends numbers. Number means not numbers, numbers only. The test cases are generated so that only one person has the most friends. The result format is in the following example. There's one example one in which the input is request accepted table, in which the requester ID is 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3 and 4. And there is one acceptor date. This one acceptor date, here you can see it like 3. Let me show you. This is a requester ID, this is a acceptor ID. Let me show you all the thing. Okay, this are acceptor IDs. Okay, these 2, 3, 3, 4. Let me highlight in the black color, no, in the green color, these are the requester ID. Okay, let me show you, these are the requester ID. Let me give him in the black color. Okay, these are the requester ID, and now let me give him the black color. This is the acceptor ID in the yellow highlight. Okay, this is the acceptor ID and this is a accept date. Let me show you. It is in black color, so it will be not visible to you, but let me visible it for you. Okay, these are the accept ID. Okay, these are the accept date. Okay, let me give him the highlight. Okay, in the green, these are the requester ID. In the yellow, these are the acceptor ID, and then in the pink, these are the accept date. Okay, and the output I'm coming ID 3 and num 3. Why? Because a person with ID 3 is a friend of people 1, 2 and 4. So he has a 3 friends in total, which is the most number than any others. So that's why if you see this table. Okay, You will see this input. Now, follow up. In the real world, multiple people could have the same most number of friends. Could you find all these people in this case? Let me find out. Okay, in today's video, there is only one case, okay, in today's video for solving. Okay, but I hope you understand the question. What is the question is trying to say is, we want to write a solution to find the people who have the most friends and the most friends number. Okay, we want to do this in today's video. So let's try to solve this video. So I solved this question, and by the way, this is a medium one question which we are solving in today's video. And total 4,10,000 people have submitted it, and only 2,50,000 has been accepted, and there is only one topic which has been included by the name of database. Okay, so now anyways, let's start to solve this. Sorry. So now let's start to solve this. Okay, so we are solving this question in the MySQL, by the way. Okay, so now let's start. So first of all, here we define our right MySQL query statement below. Okay, first of all, we define a width, then here we define a table 1 s, then we define a rounded brackets, then we define select requester id comma count count, and then acceptor id as count underscore enter from request accepted group by requested id comma enter. Define a table 2 as select acceptor id count, define here, and then requester id as count, and after the count please define underscore, define from request accepted group by acceptor id enter, sorry, not enter, press comma enter table 3 as enter. Okay, now when you define these all the things, so now remove these things. Okay, now define your rounded brackets, define select multiply from table 1 union all, then define select and then multiply, then from table 2. Now when we do this all the things, so define here select one more time, which is requester id as id, define here sum count, after the count define a square bracket, rounded bracket, sorry, I mean underscore, define as num from table 3 group by requester id, then order by num desc, then limit 1. Perfect. And when we do this all the things, so now we want to run this code anyways. So now let's run this code. So when I run this code, so let's see the output. So when I run this code, so it has been accepted. So now the last thing is to submit this code. So when I submit this code, so now the submission code has been also be accepted, and I beat 47.82% people. So let me paste this solution. Now easy solution beats 47.82%. For more explanation, visit Rayyan YouTube channel. Now let me post this solution. So by the way, so I hope you enjoyed this video in which we solved this question by 602 by the friend request 2 who has the most friends. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoy, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and all the notification bell also, so for more these type of amazing videos. Okay, but anyways, let's meet you in the next video, and next very amazing video like these type of. So now for today. Good. Bye.